Right then guys, it's me, TFT, and we are in Manchester, postcode M12, here to try out a place called House of Biryanis. It's a dark kitchen, and I have been told it's hard to get to. I've had directions of a few people, and I've been told to go under the bridge, which we are doing now. The first thing I'm thinking is what a place to have a takeaway. Apparently they're selling some fantastic, unreal biryanis. So that's what we're here to try out. I mean, look at the area. We have got something there, food collection here. And there's a little banner there with biryani on. So maybe this is the place. houseofbiryanis.co.uk. So I'm thinking it's here. I've been told it's kitchen number 19. Hello brother, how are you? You okay?
I'm good, how are you?
Not bad, not bad.
I've seen your videos.
You've seen my videos, thank you very much. Appreciate the support. Thank you. Oh, you're such a gentleman, thank you sir. I'm looking for kitchen number, oh look at this. Kitchen 14, 15. We're looking for 19. Wow. Chiller 1. I'm presuming it's upstairs. A lot of places here. Where am I going? Here we are. Flavors of biryani. Do I just knock on the door? Hello, brother.
Hello.
How are you doing? You okay?
Yeah.
I've come to try out your biryanis.
Just 1 minute.
Yeah, I've come a long way, brother. I've come from Newcastle to try out your biryani. I've come a long way.
Because you mentioned last week that the guy asked me. And
No, because I don't like to say when I'm coming down. I just wanted to make sure that you dined in, and he said you're a dark kitchen. We do a dine-in. Come down, try the biryani. And I'm in Manchester, so I'm here to try it. So I'm hoping you won't let me down, and I'll pay for the food, and I can try your biryanis.
it doesn't matter, but obviously, today now the people everything over is not working yet.
No, but what, can I try any of your food? What food have you got on that I can try?
We do normally, because I know very well, when you want to, like promotion like that, we need to make a
No, it's not promotion. I'm a food reviewer. I don't do promotions. I come in, I have my channel, I go, I try food, I travel the whole country. And somebody recommended your food and said you got to go and try out the biryanis, the best biryani in Manchester. I'm down. So, if you can make me a biryani, I pay you, and I'm out of the way. Have you got any biryanis ready made?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, well then, can I buy one, please?
Yeah, you want to buy
Yeah. Which one is it? Is it? I hope you didn't think I was gonna come and charge. I don't charge, brother. We don't do that. We pay for our food. What's your most popular one?
But normally the biryani is very popular. But
Which one? Chicken biryani?
No, chicken, lamb, everything.
Let's try your lamb biryani, please. Can I have a portion?
No, lamb biryani is not ready. That's what you over the oven is not proper working. That's why I told them to ring to guy and can come in another day.
Right.
Because, the oven is not proper working at the
Right.
moment. So that's
Yeah, but
why
what's the food you're selling here? Can I try?
chicken biryani, that one chicken biryani.
Yeah. Well, I'll do. Yeah. Well, let me buy a chicken biryani, please. Okay? Can you give me a chicken biryani, please, sir? Thank you very much. So, how long have you been here?
We are here probably last 14 months.
14 months. Okay,
15
fantastic.
months.
Right. So, how long shall I wait outside? How long will there be? Can you take payment now? Is it card? Is it cash? How do you work?
Yeah, 1 minute.
There's the menu. I think it's an online kitchen, but when I did ring, he did say you can come in and you can pay for the food and you can go. So I don't know really what the confusion is. I rang last week to telling him that I will be popping down soon. Because as you know, we don't like to tell the takeaways or the establishments when we're coming. We like to catch them off guard. And that's not being rude. We just like to walk in as a normal customer. There seems to be a bit of a discussion going on, but I just simply want a chicken biryani and I want to go away. I don't really want to be causing any issues. But there we are. Oh wow, is that mine, brother? Thank you, that looks amazing. That's the chicken biryani, yeah?
Chicken biryani.
Thank you. Fantastic. Right. Do you take cash or card? No. I have to, brother. I insist on paying.
Okay,
No.
no. Listen,
No,
I
no,
told you
brother.
no.
Brother,
No,
please,
no.
brother, you have to take some money.
No, it's okay.
Brother,
Okay.
yeah, take it. I'm not going to argue. Otherwise, I'm not going to try it. Okay. Otherwise, I won't be trying it.
You can charge 5.
Thank you very much, brother. Is it a family business?
No, we're working here. But
No, we do not have cash. You can take.
Well, take it by card. Here, I've got a card. I'll take my card. 89.99. It's not that expensive, is it? Bloody hell! You nearly gave me a nightmare there. 89.99. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. There we go, sir. Thank you very much. So,
This one.
oh, I love that. It's going to come in that bag there. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. Thank you. And what's your opening times, brother?
We open morning 11
11,
and close 11 as well.
11 till 11, 7 days a week?
Yeah, 7 days.
Oh, wow. And is it mainly online?
Yeah.
Mainly online.
online.
Okay.
I really
Okay.
apologize again. You know,
No, don't apologize, brother.
because over the power.
I would have ordered online. It's just that the gentleman said, you know, it's a dine-in and...
You can give me a number.
Uh-huh.
On weekend, we normally we can 3 people here. So
That's fine.
people when
Right,
here.
can I get a sauce with it as well?
Okay,
And
I mean, I give you.
thank you. Thank you very much, sir. You-
Peanut, also it's chutney as well.
Chutney, peanut chutney. Oh, I've never tried that before.
Because this is like, you know, you can say like South Indian.
South Indian, okay.
Indian, Hyderabadi biryani.
Proper
Very
Hyderabad, very famous, eh?
very famous.
I love the bag as well. Thank you very much, sir.
Welcome, brother.
Do you have a fork?
Yeah, of course. Sorry about that. Yeah.
No, listen, it's been an absolute pleasure. I do apologize for, because we don't usually tell when we're coming. Anyway, take care, brother.
Thank you.
What's your
Thank
name?
you. Usman.
Osman, nice to see you, brother. You take care, brother. Take care. Which is the way out?
If you go to downstairs,
Right.
go to downstairs and right side is the main door.
Right, okay, no,
Yeah.
okay. Thank you. What's the steps? Right. Here we are. Whoa. Whew. That was a bit difficult, wasn't it? But you know what? We eventually got ourselves... I love that bag though, look at it. Let's have a look. Where can we sit down and eat? We got to find somewhere, guys. Quite possibly one of the most surreal places we've ever done a review. I mean, who'd have expected a biryani place? The guy wouldn't take any money. But I give him a £10 no. I think it was $8.99. And then he said he never had any cash in the till, so I paid by card. So this is the one, guys. House of Biryani in Manchester. And you know what? The amount of flavors and the strength of flavors coming out of this rice is absolutely phenomenal. You tend to find places in areas like this, believe it or not, is where you get your best food. I know it's hard to believe, but the guy was run ragged and I think I might have caught him off guard. Let's take a look at the biryani. That tastes exceptional. We've tried quite a few biryanis on the channel, and I can tell you now, that is by far one of the most authentic, flavoursome biryanis I've tried. I now know why this place got recommended to me. There's a bit of a kick coming on as well. And if you noticed it, he warmed it up so it wasn't fresh, but yet still it tastes absolutely stupendous. Look at the chicken. Even the chicken's got that marinade on it. Look at it. Look how soft that chicken is. That is absolutely mind-blowing. Ooh. Well worth the travel. Well worth trying to find the place because it was like the crystal maze in there. I didn't know where I was going. You're going to get 2 pieces of chicken. You got that piece of chicken. And then there's another piece of chicken in here. Get your hands dirty. Peanut chutney. Never tried that before. Let's try dipping that chicken in that peanut chutney. I've tried it all now. Peanut chutney with the biryani. Tastes amazing. Raita, I think. Let's spill that on. I do apologise about the stand-up review, but there's nowhere to sit. And the car is parked quite a distance away. Let's go. Hands down, the best Hyderabadi biryani I've ever tried. And it tastes supreme. You're gonna find it M12 Dark Kitchen. You see that bridge, you're coming up here, straight there through the doors, kitchen 19. There's loads of kitchens there, loads of fast food being made. And I think it's online orders only. However, the guy who I spoke to last week did say, come and pay for it, pay by card, we do walk-ins. I'm not too sure, guys. Maybe ring him up and ask him first. But you know what? That chicken biryani has been pure dynamite. If you enjoy the channel, and if you enjoy watching TFT on his adventures, you can simply support the channel by just hitting that like button. If you want to share the content, if you like to, I would love it. Also drop a comment, and last but not least, you can subscribe to the channel. All four things really do help. Thank you very much, guys. Only one more thing left to say from me and this fantastic chicken biryani M12 postcode. I don't even know the area of Manchester. We're in the M12 postcode. The place is called House of Biryanis, Dark Lane in Manchester. From everybody here, from the hundreds of thousands of you watching across the world, you guys have all officially been Food Troll certified. And I shall see you all for the next one.